Hi, this is Brad with Total Upkeep, and this video I'm making it for @digital_naurus, and they're having a problem in which their backup files are missing. So they're on the archives page, and it says that there's no backups, but when they are in their file manager, they see the backups there. So what you'll want to try if this happens is click the Upload Backup, and then where it says, do you have a large file? Click that question mark. And then it's going to give you your Total Upkeep backup ID. Go ahead and copy that and go to your file manager and rename your file. Now, towards the end of the file, you'll see a random string. It looks like it comes right before the date. And just replace that string with your backup ID. And now when you go to your backup archives page and refresh, you should see your backup in there. So I hope that helps. If you have any further questions on this topic, just post a comment or let us know somehow, and we're happy to help. Thanks.